Hey, this is Valencia the Good Life Queen. How are you? Now, I want to show you exactly how you can earn unlimited income instantly, right? Now, I mentioned about $200, right? Now, of course, you can do more than that, but I just want to show you how you can put $200 in and never have to worry about money ever again, right? Now, we are the first Following Matrix, first cryptocurrency smart contract on the blockchain that can alter our prices. So we lowered our prices so you can join and position yourself in this great economic time. So as you see, it's 40 Tron. That's literally about almost $5. Okay. So with when you join, it allows you to be in two of our platforms at the same time with one price, which is about $10. I'm showing you a quick example of just levels 1 through 6 so you can get an understanding of where you want to be. Okay, so the first level is about 10 Tron, which is going to put you in L1 and L2, right? Then on level 2 is 80 Tron, right? So that's about $10. So level 3 is about $20 and level 4 is about $30. So let's just stop right there, right? If you were to come in all three of our platforms, starting with levels 1, 2, 3, and 4 simultaneously in all three, that's literally about $210, give or take. So if you were to able to bring in somebody else today, right along with you, that has $200, you're going to be able to make your money instantly, directly, right back, and then continuously over and over until infinity. That is not the only thing that you can make, but why not position yourself right now to make $200 today? If that sounds like something you're interested in, let me know. I'll send you the information for the link so you can acquire the Tron, download the wallet, and get you started. If you want to make more, you want to position yourself a little higher, let me know and I can facilitate that for you and help you get along. All right, have a good one. Let's grow, let's build. This is a great wealth transfer. Let's get your hand out and let's get those wallets filled up with a bunch of Tron. Let's get it.